But you know how that go. But you know how that go.
Okay, so right now we are doing a princess corset for my sister, you guys. Her birthday is coming up on Tuesday, and so we are doing a photo shoot. Completing the dress, doing a photo shoot, the whole 9 in 24 hours. So right now it is 1:50, and she is currently at the hair salon getting her hair done, while I do some finishing touches on this dress and get it to where I need to be so we can shoot it. And then we're gonna go pick her up, and then hopefully by the time I get her, I'll be a little bit further. We'll get her, fit her for this dress, finish her up, and get her into makeup, and then we're gonna be shooting later tonight. Nyla, and this is Nyla, you guys. Say hi, Nyla.
Yeah.
Zoom in on the camera.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Since the music up, how you feeling?
Spectacular. I'm ready. It's my birthday, 23, turn up.
Yeah, turn all the way up.
So,
Man.
What day is your actual? It's the
23rd.
yeah.
1, 2, 3. First thing you learn.
You know how that go.
Remember bars.
Alright, now while my sister was in there getting her makeup done, I went in here to do quick finishes on her dress. Now you guys know I usually fully line my garments, but this was just something really quickly that I wanted to do for my sister. So it was literally like, hey sis, what are you doing this weekend? You want to do a photo shoot? I think I got enough fabric. Okay, let's make this work. So I had to do some really quick finishes. I had to do a double roll hem on the skirt, just stuff like that, because I didn't have enough lining. So I just wanted to really show you guys what I did quickly to get the dress done for the photo shoot. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Typically, on an average day, you would just want to fully line that garment, cutting the same exact front and back out, doing a lining method pretty much. So this was pretty cool. I think it just came out amazing, and I was just trying to time myself, you guys. Time myself and see if I could really get this done, because I had hair, we had makeup, and we had photography, all scheduled at the very last minute. So I definitely want to appreciate my makeup artist and hairstylist, Michael Musicated Sullivan. He's amazing. You guys make sure you check out his work, a musicated visual and a musicated beat. And then the hairstylist for this was Jap Vaughn. He is amazing. He definitely specializes in a lot of natural hairstyles, but also wigs, upscale dudes, bouffant, you know, Bridgerton type wig styles. So he was definitely the person for the job for this. He gave me exactly what I wanted. I went on Pinterest, I found that picture, and he had this whole little flower thing in my sister's head. So you guys are going to see more of that during her photo shoot. But this is me just doing the very quick finishes. Look at that flower. Y'all see that flower? I got my life. I absolutely enjoyed it. He ended up adding the jewel pieces. So it was just giving everything it needed to give. And so now this is my sister just in her finishing touches for makeup. And then we're going to get into her trying to dress on again. And we have to build a set for the photo shoot. So make sure you guys keep watching to the end. Alright, so now you guys are about to see the quickest, ghettoest photo shoot set building ever. So I wanted to build my sister a quick set, and me and Michael had got to the point where we'd already shot on the gold wall enough, all of that, and my sister had on the pink dress. So we're just trying to figure out what's the quickest thing to do. So we had some aluminum foil. We went and got some aluminum foil. We got some tape, and we taped it to the wall to do the crushed aluminum foil look. Then we got some spray paint, and y'all, I ordered, it was rose gold spray paint. This shit, excuse my language, but it was like I was in there killing us for no reason at all, because as you can see in the video, you can barely see it. There were several times you're gonna see me and Michael, we have to step out. Now we did open the doors while we were doing this, but the area was still too compact. So I would say do not recommend at all. If you are going to do this, you can just find the aluminum foil in the color, and I did not know that until the day that I was trying to actually figure out how to build the shoot. So yes, find aluminum foil in color, and you don't have to worry about killing you or your family and friends. And now this is my sister. We got her into the dress, and we are now testing out our set. Now the good thing about the aluminum foil, you guys see how you can see all the ridges and things like that in the video. Of course you will not be able to see that in the photos. And I also made sure that I'm going to make sure I include her photos in this so you guys can see what we actually did editing wise. So even though it is aluminum and it is silver looking here, my photographer, he was able to edit the pictures and get the color and everything to support the photo shoot that we were doing. But y'all, look at my sister. She looks so amazing. This is my oldest sister, you guys, and I'm just so proud of her. I think she's just such an amazing mother. And so it was just an honor for me to be able to do this in this moment.
But you know how that go.
Now here at this photo shoot, we really had a good time, you guys. I was showing my sister, you know, some of the poses that she can do, And what I loved about shooting her was this was my way to show you guys real women in the clothes. My sister, she's not a model, she's a mom, you know, she has a family, she's a wife. And so I wanted to show you guys everyday women looking amazing, feeling amazing. And I just felt like, you know, everyone deserves this moment. So another thing that I also want to point out is this is for the designers that follow me. You guys always ask me about shooting equipment and things like that. And as you can see, we're using one huge soft light and one alien bee, flash, and a ring light, okay? And then while my photographer is getting these photos, I am doing what I gotta do to get my content. So as you guys can see, I am recording my sister. Y'all see me pointing at my phone like, yes, sis, you're eating, you're eating. And that's what we do. We make women feel good. We make them feel loved. We show them what it is to celebrate themselves in their now space. And so it just was amazing just seeing her just enjoy herself and just literally become the Barbie, honey, the doll, the Barbie that we know her as. So this was pretty exciting. But I'm getting my content and everything. I'm just talking to her. We got music going, and it's just very important for you know, our clients, even though this is my sibling, to be relaxed, because we not only do this, I did this for her, right, as a gift, but we actually do this for clients. I've shared the process with you guys before, but this was a really, really good one because it was my sister, period. Y'all see that direction, honey? Listen, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more of this content. We are working so hard to get so much of the content that we've created in the last year out for you guys. So if this is something that you want to definitely see more of in the future, more vlog style, more behind the scenes, more of this, make sure you drop a comment and let me know down below. As you guys can see, we are dedicating our YouTube channel now to all things plus size. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to be offering some new classes, courses, and some mentorship that is all catered to plus size specifically. So make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that. And I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and drop these photos right quick so you can see how my sister looked. She was amazing.
But you know how that go.